Good morning. We are at the boat ramp, Edstone Park in DeLand. We love this boat ramp, and we always launch from here. It's a nice ride. But we got Spring Break Bash number 5, and it's gonna be a beautiful day today. A little chilly this morning. Might be a little shower here or there, but I'm ready to let's anchor down. And if you like the new shirt, the Shaka Shirt, we got it for sale on our website. I'll post a link.
Upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Losing all my focus.
Yes.
Keeping it exciting. Exactly what to do to blow my mind. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Outer space, just keep painting constellations. You cover me in glitter till I'm shining bright. I never wanna leave the sky. The way you made me feel alive. I was in the dark and baby you're the light.